There's something magical about boondocking out here in the wide blue yonder that kind of makes you feel like one with nature. A place where the sky is filled with stars and birds are singing to meet the new day. These have been some pretty amazing experiences. It's just so peaceful out here. I wish everyone could experience this. We'll be moving along to St. George today, and I'm sure we're going to be seeing more fantastic things along the way. I wonder where we'll boondock next. Welcome to Chasin' Landscapes. We're Jack and Mary, and we're full-time RVers, traveling the country and exploring new places. I'm an artist, and we're always looking to capture our adventures on canvas. So come along with us as we go chasing some landscapes. It did rain a little bit last night, not enough to really do anything, but if you have to think about things like that when you're boondocking. So
it's really sandy, and this is a big rig. So if I had a smaller rig, I would feel more confident in hauling it out there and hauling it back.
And a higher clearance too.
Yeah.
So, but beautiful landscape. Nice and quiet. All right, we are heading out of the area called the Mint. We're heading to, we were going to head to Beaver, Utah, but the weather is not cooperating with us. So we're going to stop by in St. George. And so it's going to be a little bit warmer there, and it'll mean a long trip tomorrow, but it's okay for one day. So that's what we're doing. We're going to St. George, and we might be boondocking there. We'll see what happens. This is called the Virgin River Gorge. You remember me telling you we were going to see some pretty amazing things along the way. This one was really spectacular. Get a look at these mountains. This is so amazing. This is our first time through this area. It was a pretty steep grade going on for about 11 miles. But just looking at these mountains all the way through here was quite breathtaking. I really expected to see some kind of wildlife, but once again, nature eludes me. I'm pretty sure this is where we crossed from Nevada into Utah. Just look at this beautiful scenery. Imagine boondocking out here under the stars. I can't wait to see what St. George is like. Good morning, everybody. Okay, we spent the night at a Cracker Barrel in St. George, Utah. And what's really nice about this is they welcome RVs. Welcome RVs and buses. It's right off the freeway, which they usually are. And as long as you go in and you patronize their restaurant, it's all good. It's a win-win for everybody. So, and they have pretty good food, but their front room, where you first enter, they have so much cute stuff in that store. It's unbelievable. Not sure if they're open yet, but we had some yummy dinner last night there and got a chance to look around. One thing is it's, because it's so convenient to the freeway, sometimes you get some freeway noise, but it wasn't too terrible. And everything was good. So let me just see if we can see in the window here. They have cool chairs to sit on outside if you're waiting to get in. But they have clothing, they have games, they have candy, they have all kinds of stuff in there. See that? Yard stuff. Bird houses. Snow globes. Peeps. See that? There's really cool stuff inside of there. And I always like to go and walk around and look and see what they have. So, today we're leaving St. George and we're going to a place in Salt Lake City. It's an island, but let me think of the name of it and I'll get back to you on that. But we're gonna spend the night out on this island, and so we'd like you to come along with us and explore, okay? All right, we need to wash our RV and truck because they're both dirty birds. So we're probably gonna drive to Salt Lake and get the truck and the RV washed. So, okay? All right, here we go.
We're in the upper, right?
Yes, that's what she said. Here's a few fun facts about the island. It's about 42 square miles long, and the elevation is just over 5,300 feet. The island has bighorn sheep, bison, porcupines, badgers, coyotes, bobcats, and mule deer. And the island also has an abundance of waterfowl. We were wondering if the bison ever escaped the island, and we learned that when the lake water is low, the island actually becomes a peninsula and the wildlife are able to wander off onto the mainland. We were in the Bridger Bay Upper Loop, where we could get a view of the beautiful snow-covered mountains and the bay of Salt Lake. We recommend this upper loop because you have the view. The sites are $40 a night for a partial hookup, and RVs and tents are welcome. They also have 3 cottages available, plus showers and bathrooms nearby. Oh, and a dump station too.
We need to stop there. 28, 30. And I think this is a drive-through, right?
Yes.
So it's probably, that's 32, and that's 33. Very good.
Hey you guys, check this out. We're at Antelope Island State Park, and I couldn't think of a more beautiful place than this. Look at this view. Great campground, nice and clean, beautiful view. There's some bison down there. There's one way out there on the beach, and there's another one over there. But they say, a couple reviews I read said they actually will come up close to the campgrounds and sleep near here, so it's kind of exciting. They have a bathhouse over here. We have a covered picnic bench here and fire ring, so we can have an awesome fire tonight. That's going to be so sweet. Look at those snow-capped mountains out there. This is going to be awesome overnight. The weather is perfect. It's going to be cool tonight. I would really love to go down there and check out those bison a little bit closer so I can give you guys a better view. Maybe we'll do that. They said not to get too close to them, but we can get a little bit closer than this. But this is our beautiful view for the evening. So awesome. Too bad it's only one night. I would love to come and stay here for a week.
Hi, how's it going? It's a nice cool morning here in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're just about getting ready to go. But before we do, we're going to cruise around this island and take a look at some of the sights that we see. That ought to be kind of fun. But take a look at what the morning looks like. This is a really good RV park. I recommend it highly to come to this place because you have plenty of room, plenty of sights. It's really nice. And so where we're going next is Rock Springs, and from here for the next few days it's only going to get colder and colder. Fortunately, I don't think there's any snow in that forecast, but it's not going to be warm, so we're bundling up. It's going to be fun though. We're going to be seeing a lot of sights, including Devil's Tower. I'm really excited about that. That's going to be so cool. E.T. or Close Encounters, that's what it was. It's so quiet out here. Very peaceful, only hearing the birds. There was a buffalo out there, not a buffalo, a bison out there this morning grazing. I don't see him now, but I'm sure I'm going to see some as we drive around this island.
Look at this. That looks like another campground down there. Where are those bison hanging out is what I want to know. Oops. I think this is called Buffalo Point up here. I think also this is dry camping up here. They don't have any hiccups.
Should be a good vista.
See, we're down there. We are down there. We're just driving around in the truck right now. So you see our RV down there. This might just be a lookout point. But there are other areas of the park that it is only dispersed camping, meaning there's no hookups at all. Looks like a little place to walk out or drive into and look out.
It's a vista check.
Yeah, well, let's go up to here. I'm gonna go up here and turn around.
Sure.
Look at how high this mountain is here. It might be just a ranger station.
Trespassers will be shot. What?
You want to drive all the way up here to go to the restroom. Oh, look at this. Buffalo Point. Interpretive picnic area. So let's go check this out. Alright, this is up at Buffalo Point. They have a telescope over there. You can look out over the bay here.
If we can get up there.
You probably can. I see a little trail going up there.
Yeah, you can walk up there.
Yeah, walk up there. So pretty.
How much is this campsite?
It's $40.
$40. This is wonderful for $40.
And it's...
But I don't see any bison.
Yeah, I don't see any bison out here. What's that down there? I could barely make people out this far.
Yeah.
The binoculars are back in the truck. I think there might be one laying down. There might be a couple over there close to that road to the campground over there.
Not going to be winter much longer.
Some more bison in the middle of this field out here.
They just roam. Hang out wherever the hell they want.
Camera Flat was an area where they filmed the movie The Covered Wagon, and that was where the buffalo scene was filmed. They said it took 3 days for the bison to cooperate, and that herding them in those days was a very dangerous prospect. Well, it's time for us to go once again, but we really enjoyed our stay here, and we look forward to coming back here and staying for longer next time. For our next stop, we're heading to Rock Springs, Wyoming. We hope that you enjoyed this video and you join us next time. Until then, happy trails. Do you have a question, comment, or suggestion? Please let us know. We like talking to you. We'd sure appreciate you liking and subscribing to our channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell. And please share with your friends.